So, how do you write a script that will sound natural? First of all, write it in a spoken language. You're not writing a scientific paper, and your audience is not going to read your script. So, write how you would actually say it. Avoid words that are not used in spoken language. They will sound odd in your presentation. Then avoid complicated sentence structures. You'll only stumble upon them when you present. Break down longer sentences into shorter ones. A general rule of thumb is to have one idea per sentence. And then read your script aloud. This is the only way to find out if your speech really sounds natural. If something feels like a tongue twister, simplify it. After you have made revisions to the text, read it aloud again. And moreover, there is no better way than reading aloud to test the length of your video and to find out where to pause your speech to give a natural flow to your presentation. You can also show your script to a friend or to a colleague. Getting honest feedback might not always be easy, but sometimes a third person's opinion can be eye-opening. These tips will help you craft a script that will sound more like a conversation than a textbook. One can say that the magic of a good script is that it will not make your speech feel scripted.